If you're experiencing account sync issues with The Sims 4, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA or The Sims 4 social media pages to verify if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through your game launcher and install any available patches. Step 4. Relog into your EA account. Log out of your EA account from the game settings and then load back in. This can help re-establish the connection between your game and your account. Step 5. Clear cache. If the issue persists, clear the cache of your game. This can usually be done by navigating to the Game S installation folder and deleting the cache files. Restart the game afterward. Following these steps should help you resolve the account sync issue in The Sims 4. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.